This makes a horrible sound. I really wish I could leave it on. It's beautiful. So we're gonna do a little retro wave. I think we all know the basics at this point. The Lin drums, the analog synths. It's beautiful, but it's been done before. We're gonna go a little bit off the beaten path. We're gonna get a little spicy. The main thing I'm gonna try to address in this video is how to make your computer synths sound more analog. So I'll show you my secrets. Let's begin. First thing, we gotta create our song. I'm gonna be using Logic today. I'm sorry if you don't like that program. Step one, I'm just gonna put some random drums down. They sound like this. Pretty basic stuff. Check this out. Sounds cool. Now we're going on to the bass line. Once again, I'm not necessarily going for the iconic sounds right now. I'm just trying to write my song. I'm liking this sound. I'm gonna layer those synths together, and that kind of forms what I want. And then I have this opposing synth line that happens in the blank space. Slap some effects on that baby. It all comes together. And it sounds like ass. But wait, it's time for the magic, my friends. We're gonna record this puppy to cassette. The 4-track cassette recorder operates at a higher speed than your average cassette deck. So when you take the recording from the 4-track and you play it on a cassette deck, it plays it in half speed. Slow speed mixed with the character of the tape adds this richness to your track. You got something that sounds undeniably 80s. I didn't nail the genre, obviously, but it's got that retro inspiration. I think it sounds interesting. Let me know what you think. If it sucks, I'll never do this again.